Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the top 3 best dart sets for beginners. So whether you are just starting out or looking to upgrade your setup, I've got 3 awesome options that will help you hit the bullseye more often. Let's get started. So starting with our most affordable pick, we have the AccuDart Beginner Steel Tip Set. This dart set is perfect if you are looking for something budget friendly but still want quality. The darts are balanced and come with a lightweight 22-gram design, making them great for players who are just starting to build their technique. What I love about this set is the brass barrels, super grippy for better control. The included flights are durable, so you won't have to worry about them frying uh, after a few games. So, if you are on a budget, still want to improve your accuracy, this is a solid pick. Next up, for those who are looking for a balance between performance and price, we have got the Ignite Games Professional Darts set. This one is ideal if you are getting serious about your game. The darts weigh around 24 grams, which is slightly heavier, giving you better control on your throws. These darts feature a brass barrel and with precision grooves, making it easy to grip and throw consistently. Plus, the aluminium shafts are practically unbreakable, so you will get plenty of use out of them. The set also comes with magnetic case for easy storage and includes extra like a dart shaper, spare fight and O-rings. So if you are an all-rounder looking for durability and performance, this is the set for you. Finally, for those aiming to take their dart game to the next level, we have the Red Dragon Amberjack series. These darts are used by professionals and are made from 90% tungsten, which makes them super durable and highly accurate. These 23 grams darts feature ultra thin barrels for tighter groupings on the board, meaning you will score more consistently. And don't even get me started on the design. The black and orange combo is bold and sleek. One key feature is that it is thick 100 micron fights that help stabilize your throws and keep your accuracy sharp. This set also offers multiple weights options, so you can choose what feels best for you. So if you are ready to dominate your next game, this is the set you will want in your hand. So there you have it. Whether you are on budget, ready to take your game to the next level, one of these darts set is sure to help you out. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information and pricing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more gear reviews and tips to step your game. See you next time.